Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we make something different, means we make this two aesthetic Korean necklaces. So let me show you what we need to make this. We need 3 pearls, scissor, nylon thread, gold wire, and for the loop we need seed beads. So let's start the video. So first we make this two layered pearl necklace. So let's start. First necklace is ready, so let's make the second necklace using again 3 pearls and 8 or 10 pearls too.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent.
finally our both aesthetic Korean necklaces is ready. Let me know in the comment section below what you want to watch next, and if you like it, please like, share, subscribe and watch our other videos.